Hey everyone, the Globe guys are in Dubai.
And this is the Hilton Al Habtoor city. Everybody come into an executive suite here at the Hilton Al Habtoor city, or Habtoor city in Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates. It's an exec suite, and first impression, so just look. So it's incredible, you know. I mean, I think it's a bit on the small side, you know, but hello, how are you doing? But yeah, it's amazing, and it's an exec suite, so we get executive benefits as well, which is incredible. But yeah, let's show you around first of all. So obviously this is the entranceway. First thing, the bathroom toilet area here, or one of the toilets areas here actually. So pretty standard stuff there. Okay, on this side we've got kind of a nice kind of breakfast bar thing going on. A couple of easy chairs. All right. This kind of bar area here, work surface with a sink, which personally don't really like. All right, got some complimentary water, coffee machine. All right, Krupp stuff. You've got a mini bar here with nothing in it. So even though we're in a suite, right, we don't get a mini bar, but we do get the executive lounge where we get the cocktails between 6 and 8 every day. Nice little desk area, so this will be great for me to check in with our digital business. So be able to put my laptop on, do a quick check of some emails and some messages. How easy is that? When we travel, our business travels with us. Dead easy. And you can do the same. You want to know more about that, then message us.
You look very official there.
Thank you, thank you. Got a nice dining room table here, all right? So I don't see us having a meal in the room, I'll be honest, but it's a nice thing, you know, it's nice. The furnishings are actually quite nice. So it's an exec suite and it feels quite plush. The lounge area does, so come down here into the lounge. All right. Oh, you know, nice little welcome gift to some little swans. But the lounge area feels quite plush. All right, you know, plenty of space to relax. All right, I'm not even going to count the seats, but it's a nice area. View-wise, slightly disappointed because we were hoping to get a Burj Khalifa view, but we haven't. We're on the other side of the hotel, so our view is of the hotel pools and of, I guess, the other side of Dubai. All right, you can see that. I don't know how much of that'll come out in the video, if I'm being honest, but you know, in the grand scheme of things, it's not an issue. All right.
You not mentioned the chandeliers.
Oh God, of course, yeah. Sorry. So, I mean, but look at these. Look how kind of how amazing these chandeliers are. You know. And, oh God. And and they're high enough for me to not even bang my head, so that's always a plus. Okay. Right. So come in. Let's have a look in the bedrooms. Next.
Bedrooms.
Bedroom. So you have obviously you've got this sliding door thing going on, create some privacy. All right. Into the suite here. That is the bedroom. So again, you know, bed I think is probably just about big enough for us. That's all good. All right. Again, some nice comfy chairs. You know, connectivity. Like a lot of hotels, it always gets let down because they haven't caught up to the USB. They haven't caught onto the USB connection, so there's no USB connections. It's all standard. But again, you know, do you know what though? The thing as I'm walking around it's just a space. It's huge. I mean, you know, it is. I mean, we can put all our luggage away, and you know, we're never going to fall over each other. Let's be honest. Wardrobes here, so wardrobes either side. Okay, so plenty of space there. Comes with slippers, standard stuff, clothes brush, safe. I think in this one we've got dressing gowns. Yeah, dressing gowns in there, standard stuff in there. and then we have the bathroom. So as I said, we've got this is the main bathroom area. So you've got this amazing tub, which actually will be big enough for me to soak in. So I'm loving that. And then you've got his and her sinks, or in our case, his and his sinks. And then you've got the toilet area and shower, which appears to be a rain shower. So that's all good. Okay. You know, standard Hilton toiletries. You know, the one thing we were just saying about this earlier is, you know, it'd be so great if Hilton actually just got into the act and just started providing a bit more of a, you know, a different, maybe a higher end toiletries, you know, because there's these little things, we've literally travelled the world and seen these. So that's that. And that's pretty much everything. So, you know, it's all nice. Like I say, it's spacious. It's, you know, it's great. Like I say, we've got access to the lounge, so you know it's open till 8 o'clock every day, so we can have breakfast in there. We're also half board, so we paid. The room rate we've got includes a half board situation, so we can choose either a lunch and an evening meal, or an evening meal, sorry, as well as breakfast, and that's including our room rate. And then also we've got the lounge as well. So it's amazing. We're dead excited. You know, we're going to be here we've got like 6 days here now. It's going to be awesome. First impressions of the hotel as we walked in, the lobby was bustling, it was buzzing, it was great. So all good. So we're now going to show you around the rest of the hotel and show you some of these amazing other places. So enjoy.